This one's from Tom Mueck, who asks or comments that teams appear to rely more on developers than architects these days. Could you analyse this trend and separate the fluffy hype from the nuggets of valuable insight? Well, perhaps the most useful point here is that there's a common error in assuming that architecture is only big design up front and therefore not relevant to the kind of dynamic, iterative processes that DevOps and developer operation relationships need to make. The crucial distinction here is that architecture in essence looks upward towards the big picture, whereas design looks downward towards making it real. But they're always the same thing, it's just flip sides of the same coin. What we need here is just enough architecture. Agreed, big design up front is unhelpful. But we do need just enough to make sure everything connects to the big picture. Otherwise, what we can do is go rushing off in one direction there, and another direction there, and another direction there, and another direction there, and nothing connects up. What we need from architecture is the key decisions about what's going to be expensive to change. Expensive in terms of not just money, but also time, in terms of technology, in terms of future operational costs, in terms of that trade-off between CapEx and OpEx. All those kind of key decisions that are very difficult to change if we get them wrong. So we need an understanding of the big picture, regardless of where we are in the detail. We need to look upwards sometimes to the architecture level, to the big picture level, to understand how this connects with everything else. In essence, what we need is not so much DevOps as ArchDevOps, a complete continuous connection all the way through from big picture to real world and back again.